Before we get into the nuts and bolts of CCMS, I'd like to start by giving you an introduction to construction claims. First off, there are a few key points that should be borne in mind. It should be noted that all the definitions and methodologies detailed in this presentation have been used in arbitration, litigation, and other alternative dispute resolutions around the world. Although legal systems vary from country to country, the principal concept behind construction claims is identical. If there's a contractual or legal obligation, and there's a breach of that obligation, which causes a damage to the other party, you have a claim. It's as simple as that. Furthermore, notwithstanding the complex legal issues that could arise in various jurisdictions around the world, there's always a requirement to prove your case. This rationale would apply whether you're submitting a claim, defending against one, or raising a counterclaim. So today's presentation will not focus on case law from various countries. Instead, we will focus on the methodologies used around the world to establish causation for claims, i.e., how claims are proven by utilizing a cause and effect approach to the same. Today, we will mainly deal with the technical aspects of a claim and how it is used to support the contractual and legal portions of the same claim. So what is a claim? The Oxford Dictionary defines a claim as being a demand for something considered one's due. In the construction industry, the word claim has negative connotations, and it usually results in strained relationships between various parties due to accusations and counter-accusations. Unfortunately, construction claims are becoming more and more frequent, and in general, it is critical that the contracting parties adopt a proactive and positive approach rather than a reactive and negative approach towards claims. Construction claims are usually submitted by contractors or subcontractors if there's a delay or disruption to their contract program or baseline program. Now, this is done in order to recover additional sums of money or for extending the original duration of the contract in order to get relief from liquidated damages or penalties if it's legal in the country they're operating in. The delays could be due to various compensation events such as delay, disruption caused by the employer or by the acts of another contracting party or third-party events. It should also be noted that claims from developers or clients or employers and construction consultants are also quite common. A claim has to be identified and proven pursuant to the pertinent terms and conditions of the contract agreement between the parties. Contract terms may be incorporated into the contract, or it may be implied by way of statutory laws of the country. To conclude, a contractual claim must be based on the express or implied terms of the contract between the parties. So who are parties to a claim? On a construction project, claims can occur between any of the contracting parties. For example, between the client and the contractor and his subcontractors, or even the client and his consultants. We will focus mainly on construction claims that commonly arise between the client and the contractor and his subcontractors. In the next video, we'll dive a little deeper into construction claims, look at the causes, and also have a brief introduction to cause and effect analysis based claims and global claims.